channel. It's Nabri Love. Today I'll be giving you guys a hair tutorial on this 2-braid hairstyle with this 6x6 closure wig. I got this from Ashimary. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it'll be down in the description down below. Like I said, it's a 6x6 closure wig, and I just did 2 braids and then also these wand curls. Let me tell you, this was trial and error because initially I was going to do the 2 braids with the crimps and it didn't work out, so I had to reinstall it, but nonetheless I did it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay guys, this is the hair fresh out of the box. It's a 24-inch body wave unit. This is the natural state of the hair. It's 180 density, 6x6 closure. It's already pre-plucked, but I am going to go in and do more plucking to the unit. And first I'm going to start off by bleaching my knots. I'm going to use the Got To Be Free spray to get all the baby hairs and mini hairs in the front of the hairline out of the way, and just comb that back so it doesn't get bleached. And this step is crucial, like I said, so you don't get your baby hairs or any hair in the front bleached. But if you have black dye, you can always go back and fix it if the bleach gets on the front of the hairline. Okay, now I'm going to go in and bleach my knots. I'm using the BW2 and 30 volume developer, but you can use any developer, honestly, or any bleaching powder. And like I said in my previous tutorials, you want to make sure it's a thick consistency, kind of like a milkshake. You don't want it to fall off the brush because it can seep through and bleach the hair. So you want to make sure you get it to a thick consistency. Not gonna lie, this is my first time plucking a wig ever. I'm not sure if it made a difference. I plucked a lot, like for real, but I don't even see where it thinned out at. Yeah, so I just wasted my time, so I just deleted that clip. But I just wanted to show you guys that I did pluck a little bit, and yeah, I'll be working on that within the next few videos because I need to learn how to pluck. I'm gonna get into what you guys came for. Your girl officially learned how to braid, and I am super hyped. I went to my friend Braids by Shauna. Y'all go check her out if you want to take any braiding classes. She offers those, so yes, go book with my girl and also go get your hair slayed, period. I already used my wax stick and my hot comb to flatten out the piece of hair that I'm going to braid, and I'm just making the part, making sure it's even so I can go ahead and form my other braid. I did the other one off camera, and now I'm just going to show this one in real time so you guys can see what I'm doing.
I can't stop the way I'm feeling if I wanted to. I'm crazy up the way
Okay, now that I'm done with my braids, I'm going to go ahead and wand curl my hair. I'm going for those beach type of waves, those loose beachy waves. So yeah, all I'm doing is going to wand curl it, and then you're going to see me pulling it out so it won't look like grandma curls. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. There'll also be more hair tutorial videos as well as fashion hauls and other content on my channel, so please stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can join the team, join the gang, and join the squad, and we're going up, and that's just period. So thank you guys for all the love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.